is the effect of what this oil can give. So we worked on it. We energize our crystals on full moons, and then we use salt for our rituals. So in fact, our crystal chamber that you see inside, uh, that wall has an evil eye, uh, which actually was a big sack of crystals that we got for creating a table. We broke those crystals into sizes and actually made that art. A lot of people that walked in asked us if we could make those spaces in their homes because that room is like a recharge room. So if you can actually make that the space in our houses, every day you go spend some time in that room in the house. So, in fact, even in our factory, we have one room that is energized and cleansed. So, all our products that go into the market sit in that room overnight and are shipped from there into wherever. Similarly, this room, it kind of even before your therapy or after your therapy, or even when you come in to buy something or see the place, it's just a room that you can go sit in. People that are into meditation and a little more aware, if they go sit there, it'll hit you like that. That's the feeling. So this is very strange. After we made that room, for me it was work until it was done. So I'm standing outside talking to someone and then walking in to say something and I stop. Like something just happened. The minute you step in or touch that place or see that place, the energy is very, very different. So I've had not just me having this experience, but a lot of people who are into meditation, like Prema Garu just said that when she sat there, that it felt very, very different or very high energy. And when you go sit in that space, what takes you 5 minutes to get into a meditative space takes you like a few seconds to go into that zone. So I would say, see, they call themselves luxury Ayurveda or Ayurveda or some Ayurveda, right? So we on purpose don't call ourselves just Ayurveda. We are a natural skincare brand. I would say that the process of how we make our products is definitely uh, different, especially with a lot of products that you'll see. We have some powders that are exfoliating face wash powders that foam and activate with water. So there's some products that are very innovative, like a scrubbing mask for detan, and they have a lot of fruits and vegetables in them too. So fruits and vegetables necessarily don't have to be Ayurveda only. So not necessarily that only Ayurvedic ingredients have healing properties. It's even our some fruits are very high in antioxidants. They may not come under Ayurveda necessarily. So we are a blend of Ayurvedic ingredients which have a lot of healing properties, as well as natural ingredients with the same properties for different purposes. So like I said, I believe that no matter how many brands come into the market, old school, I believe, has a space that we always will cater to, which is unique in its own way. A very, very difficult question for me. I don't actually use too many products, but there's one thing that I cannot do without is my face wash powder. That's a product that is like a face wash, an exfoliator, everything all in one. So I travel with that. There are face wash powders. We have three of them. Cinnamon and oranges. It's very, very, very soft. It's almost like a very mild powder. We have red sandalwood and saffron powder. And we have Indian spices powder. So my personal favorite is I mix all the three and take it in a travel bottle. So, and at home I have all the three. Depends on my mood. I use one or the other or mix all the three together. So, uh, I get experimental. In fact, we mix a lot of products. My daughter experiments the most, more than me. She mixes this scrub with that mask and that mask with this scrub. So it's friendly to any age and any. It can be infants to adults, anyone. So it's a fun brand to work with. So the bench, if you see, is made with a crystal called selenite. Selenite is a crystal that is an energizing crystal. Correct. So it is a crystal that is for cleansing. No matter what you do, that in all our oils also, there is there's an oil for feminine energy, for glow, for power, multiple oil. All of them have selenite as a common crystal, but they also have different crystals, which are we have carnelian in some, red jasper in some, we have clear quartz, amethyst, we have black onyx, we have tiger's eye, we have many crystals, pyrites in some, all of that based on the properties that the oil requires. But selenite is a common crystal that's in all of them because no matter what energy comes in, the selenite keeps cleaning it. So that bench is a selenite bench. So there's no possibility of that bench getting contaminated. And also, before we made that art of that evil eye on the wall, on a full moon, we actually placed all our crystals here in water in drums, all those copper and brass drums. We had different crystals sitting with water, salt, in moonlight. We did the whole cleansing, energizing process, and then put the art together. So, yeah, we've done all the work to make sure it is all clean.